can get your feedback documented, but it often falls short when your team needs to move fast. It limits the fluid, real-time collaboration essential for breakthrough product decisions. That's why we've built a more seamless interface. Meet Team Chat. We've taken everything that worked about internal comments and completely rebuilt it for teams who need to ship the right thing fast. And a key point, Team Chat is strictly internal. It's not public-facing, ensuring your product discussions remain confidential within your team. No more, wait, what were we talking about moments. Your product conversations now happen in context right alongside the idea with everyone who needs to be there. This means communication is easier, more organized, and far more effective. When your team can collaborate without friction, product decisions are made faster and with significantly more confidence. That's the difference between shipping features your customers genuinely love and features that are met with indifference. You'll find the new Team Chat experience nested conveniently within any idea details page. When you click on an idea, over here next to the details tab, there will be the Team Chat tab where you can view all of your previous messages. Get started right away. Tag your teammates. Yes, that's improved too. Share files, now with preview directly in the chat, and have those critical conversations. And there is no need to worry about historical comments and threads. We've migrated everything into the Team Chat so you won't lose any context. And good news, view-only admins can participate in Team Chat as it follows the same permissions as internal comments. Are you ready to experience frictionless collaboration? Dive into Team Chat today. We're excited for you to connect and collaborate like never before.